YCEASY valve operation menu. First step, twist the humidifier bottle cap. Fill the humidifier with cold boiling water or distilled water. The water level should not exceed the maximum water level indicator line. Tighten the bottle cap. Fix the humidifier with a rubber band and connect the humidifier connection tube to one end into the air inlet of the humidifier and connect the other end to the oxygen outlet of the oxygen generator. Insert the plug into the power socket and turn on the power. Please read the operation menu clearly before using your device. Adjust and control outlet oxygen flow by the valve knob. Flow can be reduced by clockwise rotation, and flow can be increased by counterclockwise rotation. Display is turned off. Display is turned on. Gesture control function off. Gesture control function on. Stop after 30 minutes. Stop after 60 minutes. Stop after 90 minutes. Stop after 120 minutes. Stop after 180 minutes. Voice prompt is closed. Voice prompt is open. Nebulizer is on, optional. Nebulizer is off, optional. All above the steps are operation menu for oxygen concentrator. Insert the inlet end of the nasal cannula into the outlet of the humidifier. Then put the nasal cannula on the ear of the person who needs oxygen. Insert the nasal plug on the nasal cannula into the nostril of the oxygen person to perform oxygen inhalation.